Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Product Comparison. If you're looking to start DJing, two controllers keep popping up. The Pioneer DDJ-FLX4 and the Numark Party Mix II. One's a serious launchpad into professional mixing. The other's a party-ready starter with just enough flair to get you moving. But which one should you actually buy? Let's break it down. The DDJ-FLX4 instantly looks like it means business. It's sleek, well-spaced, and mimics the layout of higher-end Pioneer gear. Ideal if you're planning to upgrade down the road. You get a professional feel without the professional price. Now, the Party Mix II is built for fun, lighter, smaller, and with built-in LED party lights that pulse to the beat. Perfect for dorm rooms or casual setups, but it feels more toy-like compared to the FLX4. Winner: Pioneer DDJ-FLX4. Is built to grow with you. The FLX4 packs some genuinely smart features: Smart Fader for easy transitions and Smart CFX for creative effects, even if you're just starting. Plus, it's compatible with both rekordbox and Serato DJ Lite, and can connect via USB-C to PC, Mac, and even mobile devices. Meanwhile, the Party Mix II gives you plug-and-play support with Serato DJ Lite and DJ Pro AI on iOS. You still get performance pads, responsive jog wheels, and a surprisingly intuitive layout, especially for the price. But the FLX4 takes it with its smart tools and broader compatibility. Winner: Pioneer DDJ-FLX4. The FLX4 is clean and punchy, totally usable in a live setting with confident transitions and responsive EQ control. It's the kind of sound you'd expect from Pioneer. The Party Mix II sounds decent, especially for home setups or casual gigs. But the sound card and output options don't quite match the FLX4, and you'll notice the difference once you push the volume. Winner: Pioneer DDJ-FLX4. Here's the big trade-off. The Numark Party Mix II is around $129. Incredibly affordable and beginner-friendly. If you're testing the waters, it's low risk and still fun. The Pioneer DDJ-FLX4 comes in at $299, but it gives you pro-level features, smart mixing tools, and room to grow. It's a serious investment, but a smart one if you're committed. Winner: depends on your budget, but long-term value? DDJ-FLX4 again. If you want something fun, simple, and cheap to get started without overthinking it, the Numark Party Mix II is a great first controller. But if you're aiming to learn real DJ skills, grow your setup, and maybe play real gigs, then the Pioneer DDJ-FLX4 is absolutely the one to get. Winner: Pioneer DDJ-FLX4. That's the breakdown. If you're serious about DJing, skip the gimmicks and grab the DDJ-FLX4. But if you just want to throw some lights on in your bedroom and experiment, the Party Mix II still delivers. Links to both are down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried either of these, or if you want me to compare your next pick. See you in the next one.